On a breaking news and an interesting note, a Nigerian engineer has successfully unveiled his first made in Nigeria jet engine prototype, which can be used to power aircraft and numerous other things like rockets and weapons used in martial combat. This will not only become a game changer for him, as he has been recognized by top people like the Ministry of Defense and has garnered millions of views all over his social media platforms. In today's video, we'll talk about how this young Nigerian engineer developed Nigeria's first jet engine, which can be used to power a whole lot more of inventions. Now, in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss future videos like this. Talking about the man in question is Ziko Abara. Ziko Abara is a Nigerian entrepreneur who started from the federal government college Ogbose in Ebonyi State, where he developed the first aircraft for his school and has been in the school science lab till date. Secondly, he graduated from Nnamdi Azikiwe University with a degree in electronic and computer engineering. After that, he seeks to expand on his interests, which include technology and aviation sector, talking about aeronautic engineering. This led him to start working on his jet engine project, allowing him to create a self-sustaining afterburn jet engine. Now, what is a jet engine? A jet engine is any of a class of internal combustion engines that propel aircraft by means of the rearward discharge of a jet of fluid, usually hot exhaust gases generated by burning fuel with air drawn in from the atmosphere. The general characteristics of a jet engine are the prime mover of virtually all jet engines is a gas turbine, variously called the core, gas producer, gasifier, or gas generator. The gas turbine converts the energy derived from the combustion of a liquid hydrocarbon fuel to a mechanical energy in the form of a high pressure, high temperature airstream. This energy is then harnessed by what is termed the propulsor, which is an aeroplane propeller and helicopter rotor, to generate thrust with which to propel the aircraft. Talking about the principles of operation of this, the gas turbine operates on the Brayton cycle, in which the working fluid is a continuous flow of air ingested into the engine's inlet. The air is first compressed by a turbocompressor to a pressure ratio of 10 to 40 times the pressure in the inlet stream. It then flows into a combustion chamber where a steady stream of the hydrocarbon fuel in the form of liquid spray, droplet, and vapor, or both, is introduced and burned at approximately constant pressure. This gives rise to a continuous stream of high pressure combustion products whose average temperature is typically from 980 to 1540 degrees Celsius or higher. This stream of gases flows through a turbine, which is linked by a torque shaft to the compressor, and which extracts energy from the gas stream to drive the compressor, because heat has been added to the working fluid at high pressure. Ziko Abara, talking about the inventor of this jet engine model, which is a sustainable afterburn engine. He is an entrepreneur who founded the Zetron brand. The Zetron brand is a brand which aims to improve technological development in Nigeria. Although starting out with mega resources, he has spent about 11 million naira on the development of this jet engine, which is actually low compared to what huge companies like Airbus, Boeing, and a whole lot of them actually spend on technology like this, which means he is expected to improve this. Zetron was founded as a enthusiastic or passionate project in which he started producing these jet engines for a purpose. He has been recognized by the Nigerian Ministry of Defense and various bodies in which he has been asked to demonstrate the use of these his engines. The heat released by burning a typical jet fuel in air is approximately 43,370 kilojoules per kilogram of fuel. If this project were 100% efficient, it would then produce a gas power for every unit of fuel flow of 7.4 horsepower. He has actually invested in doing a whole lot of things, like starting his very own brand known as the Zetron brand. The Zetron brand has produced a lot of other products like power storage products for homes, which can power homes for a significant amount of time to combat Nigeria's energy issues. He also has a lot of other things in stock. Because weight and volume are at premium in the overall design of the engine, and because the power plant represents a large fraction of any aircraft total weight and volume, these parameters must be minimized in the engine design. The airflow that passes through an engine is a representative measure of the engine's cross-sectional area, and hence its weight and volume. Therefore, an important figure of merit for the prime mover is its specific power. So, this quantity is a very strong portion of the peak gas temperature in the core at the discharge of the combustion chamber. His engine also has a propulsor. The gas horsepower generated by the prime mover in the form of hot, high-pressure gas is used to drive the propulsor, enabling it to generate thrust for propelling or lifting the aircraft. This principle is based on thrust given by Newton's second law of motion. This law generalizes the observation that force required to accelerate a discrete mass is proportional to the product of that mass and the acceleration in effect. He has generated a lot of controversy on social media, with people telling him that the project may not last. Some people have actually said a lot of things about this project, and I would like to also get your thoughts about it in the description and the comment section of this video. You can actually check out his Twitter page for more content, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to actually learn from our videos and actually see what comes more in the Nigerian innovation space, because this is what this channel is all about, promoting black excellence. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and share to your friends who want to know more about this.